Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am Urvashi. So today I am going to review this product with you. This is L'Oreal's True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and I am in the shade Golden Beige. So yeah, this foundation retails for $8.99 and you can always get it on sale, and it goes down to around $500. Now this is one of the best drugstore foundations if you are looking for any dewy foundation. So today you can see I used this foundation for my base, and I was meaning to get this foundation since a really long time, but every time I add them in my cart, the shade Golden Beige went either out of stock or on actual MRP. I do not wanted to buy this foundation on its actual price, knowing that it goes down to $599 or $519, or even you can get it on good sales around $479. So this is the foundation that you can use if you're looking for a nice blendable and dewy foundation in drugstore category. This one is super affordable and dewy, and you can also use this foundation for any kind of festive season or even wedding guest look. If you are going in any event where you want your skin to look dewy, then you can definitely go for this foundation. Okay, the only thing that I do not like about this foundation is the shade range in India, because I searched on Purple and Nykaa and on Amazon too, but there are really few shades, though it has been launched in 40 to 42 shades internationally, but in India we do not get that much shades. So this thing is a kind of bummer for me, but apart from that everything is good about this foundation. And about the oxidation part, I think it oxidized a bit, because when as you can see, this is not my correct shade, because when I applied it, you can see in this makeup tutorial, if you haven't already, when I started applying it, it was a bit light for me, but after a while it settled down to my skin tone. That means it is oxidizing. And again, people complain that it has shimmer particles that I do not see. Let me just show you the swatch of this so that you can also decide for yourself that it does not contain any shimmer particle in it. As such chunky shimmer particle, just have a look of the swatch. So I do not see any shimmer particle. If you go really close, really close, you can see a teeny bit of sheen in the foundation. So that is acceptable because it is a dewy foundation, it is not a matte foundation. So this one is a really nice party wear foundation if you do not want to invest in any kind of high-end foundation. Also, this one also can be used as a daily base foundation, because you can always shear down the coverage to medium or low by mixing some kind of moisturizer or your cream that you use on daily basis. Because this one is a medium to buildable coverage, or I must say this one is full coverage foundation, because as you can see, it has covered the area completely. If you have any kind of blemishes, scar, it is going to cover them all. The only thing is that if you have any kind of dark pigmentation, then you need to color correct, and then you can top your skin with this foundation. This blends beautifully with the brush and the sponge. I have tried, and if you want to see this product in detail action, then go ahead and check this makeup look out. I have uploaded this makeup look where I have used this foundation to do my base. And as far as the other products are concerned, blush and highlighter and other products like bronzer, everything sits well on this foundation. There is no kind of cracks in my skin, and this foundation does not break from anywhere, irrespective of your skin type. Only if you are oily skin, then I will suggest you to use a mattifying primer, then use this foundation on your skin, so that this one is a dewy foundation, so that you can control the oils of your skin and the foundation. So many of the beauty bloggers have added this foundation in their best top 5 or top 10 foundations list. So I don't think this is a bad foundation or any sort of thing. And if you are looking for a good drugstore foundation, you can go for it. Also, do not like that matte finish, then you can definitely go for this. So that was all for the product review and this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with family and friends. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.